Hello, I am speaking here now with
Maria Hellström
from Sony Ericsson here, and you have here Aspen. Could you maybe demonstrate a little bit?
So Aspen is the latest addition to the Sony Ericsson Green Heart family, which is our line of eco-friendly phones. So this is the first Green Heart that is segmented to kind of the business segment.
If you can go this way. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you go this way?
Oh, okay. Do this then. It is built on Windows Mobile, Windows Mobile 6.5.3.
Okay, so is it the newest version?
Okay, which is a much more finger-friendly version of Windows Mobile. The earlier versions were kind of tricky and you needed the pen a lot, but this works very well with just your fingers and your thumbs. And it's also much more responsive and much quicker than I think that the earlier versions have been, so this works very nicely. In this phone we have still kept what a lot of people liked with the earlier Windows Mobiles, the X1 and X2, which is the panel views.
Panels, okay, so panels are still here.
Panels are still here, so you can customize the panels.
The same like Xperia.
Yes.
Can I use Xperia panels here? From Xperia X1, X2?
I'm not sure what you mean.
Because panels are such small widgets that you can load in Xperia X1 in X2. And these widgets can you load also here? You're not sure?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So you can load the same widgets here?
Well, I'm not sure what widgets were in the X1 and X2 because I have never used those phones.
I mean, additional. Yeah.
But this one, I mean, for example, you can add a lot of widgets.
Okay.
So you can customize the panel any way you kind of want. So you can have panels that are, you can have your own business panel, you can have your kind of music panel.
Some examples you have maybe?
Well, this one I have customized for myself.
Okay.
So this is where I keep all my messaging. I have my emails, I have my text messages, and I have my kind of missed calls in the front view, as well as alarms. And just one slide back, I have kind of the phone information, where I have the battery, I have the phone settings, and I have where you handle the different applications. And I also have here, I have the weather, for example, in Barcelona, and I have the clock and alarm clock, and I have my calendar. So this is just the way that I customize this specific panel. You can always use kind of so you can customize any panel just the way you want, so you can use kind of different panels depending on what you're interested in throughout the day. What I think is really good about this device is also that the QWERTY keyboard feels really good. The keys are kind of rounded, which makes the typing experience.
And do you have such point you mean on QWERTY keyboard in computer you have such special protrusion that you know that you're touch typing, but this is for thumb typing. So sometimes QWERTY keyboards have on some keys some protrusions, you know. So
Protrusions?
Protrusion.
What is that?
Protrusion.
Okay, I don't really know what that is.
Okay, but it is not here. It's anything flat, but it's for thumb with one hand. For one hand typing.
Well, if you want, sure, but
can you yourself
type something
with one hand? Yes.
New message, text message.
Yeah, something.
Yeah.
Hello world or something.
Yeah.
So you are using two hands, but can you use it with one hand? It works with one hand also?
Yep, definitely.
Okay, so this is the point.
Yep.
Because people are with BlackBerry, they have one hand operation. They would like to have the same.
Oh, yes.
This is the touchscreen also, so you can use keyboard and touchscreen.
And the touchscreen is also full up really big with one hand, so it works really well.
Okay, and can you show the other side, this camera? Yeah.
What is also really great.
3.2 megapixel, okay.
Yeah, so the camera is not this phone's main feature, since we do aim this at the business segment. We have not really focused on camera applications.
You have other phones for that.
Yeah, and this is
business.
We tried to make this a really affordable phone, so this is going to be placed in kind of the mid segment. So it's going to be quite affordable, really affordable. And what's really great about this phone is that it is the latest of the Sony Ericsson Green Hearts, which means that it is one of our most eco-friendly phones.
Sorry to interrupt, but do you know that the camera is autofocus or not? It should be autofocus.
I don't know.
Okay, I don't remember.
Yeah, sorry.
Autofocus.
But this is made with recycled plastics.
Okay.
It has waterborne paint. We have really, really high control of the substances in this phone. They are set to a really high control level.
Environment pollution.
Yes, definitely. Very low environmental footprint.
You have headset because it's a standard connector here.
This is the, what's it, 3.5 millimeter?
3.5 standard.
Yeah. But and we also have the micro USB, which is for the charger.
Okay, so this is your standard micro USB for cell phones.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. So.
How long is it? This video already?
5:27.
Yes, we have no limits here.
No.
Okay, so whatever else you can tell about this phone? Some. Can you maybe the photo taking application?
Sure. So.
How it looks like?
This is the camera.
Camera, yeah.
So you choose from taking the video or taking the camera, and just press.
Okay.
It's gonna take the photo.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
So it works fast, quickly.
Yes, very.
Okay. And the browser is the standard Microsoft browser. You don't bundle Opera with it. The internet browser.
Yeah.
Is you use standard Microsoft?
Yeah.
Maybe you can open the programs. What do you have here?
Yeah.
The programs.
I know that the connection here is really bad.
No. Just what's available? What is it? Banks? What is this? Charts here? Panels. This is the panels. Okay.
And also we have the slide view if you're interested.
Oh yes, of course. I'm interested. Sure. What's the slide view?
Well, it's kind of just another way of organizing all the events throughout the day, so you can kind of.
On the home screen.
Well, no, it's not a home screen. It's the way where you can keep all the updates that happen throughout the day. So if you have a calendar, if you have a calendar event, or if you have a text message, an incoming call. I mean, if you open the slide view, you get them all in kind of one view. But since this is just a demo phone, I don't have any events on it, so it's not going to show that well.
So it's a nice cheap phone, and with Windows Mobile, latest version.
Yeah. Exactly.
And camera.
Yeah. Okay. And let me see if I can open Explorer for you. I'm not sure it's going to connect, since I mean Wi-Fi. You can always do all the things with I mean the active sync, for example, is just really, really quick. So it works very well. That's quick how it's synchronized.
Okay.
For new emails.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
So once again, thank you.